Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Lemon Squeezy login issues, store access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Lemon Squeezy, follow these steps to resolve store access errors. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your web browser and navigate to the Lemon Squeezy login page. Double-check your email address and password for any typographical errors. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox, including the spam folder, for the password reset email. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email address and new password, then click the Login button. If you still cannot log in, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Attempt to log in again with your credentials. If the issue persists, try using a different web browser or device. Check if there are any ongoing server issues by visiting Lemon Squeezy's status page. If the server status is normal, reach out to Lemon Squeezy's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login issue. They can offer specific solutions based on your account and any technical problems. Follow their guidance carefully to regain access to your store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Lemon Squeezy login issues and access your store smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.